Welcome to School Robotics Tutorials. In this section of video, you are going to be looking at how to add a new class. So let's assume when you were starting to use the system, your classes level were up to the basic school, and so you have now gotten to a point where there is a need for you to add more new classes. So we are going to be looking at the procedures that we have to go through in adding a new class. And as you can see, we are on our menu portal, and so the first step to take is to click on the settings tab, and then it opens the various features we have available in the settings tab. Okay, so the next thing to do is to click on the user and system settings, because the settings that you're about to do is a settings that affects the outlook of the system. All right, so it's a system settings that you're about to do. So we click on the system and user settings, and then it takes us to this next interface. So over here we would click to select the pupils bill and other academic settings. Good. So we get to the final interface where we are able to add our class. So as you can see on our left hand side of the interface, we have the menu items arranged vertically. The next option is where we click to add our class. So let us click on the add class, and then it opens the various departments available in the school for you. Okay, so here we now have to determine the class or the department that we want to add a class under. Okay, so if it is a junior high school department that we want to add a class to, you come to click on the add classes here. Then it opens the dialog box for us to input the name and save. Okay, so let's assume we want to add the JHS1. You input the name nicely, and then you click on the save button, and then you would want to add a JHS2 as well, and then lastly we add a JHS3. Okay, so this is the simple steps or procedures that we have to go through to add our classes.